In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a QR code using Google Chrome in just a few seconds. It's honestly one of the fastest and easiest ways to make a QR code for any website and share it with others. Open your Google Chrome browser and go to any website you want, for example, youtube.com. Or you can even create a QR code for your channel or social media link. Now, click on the three-dot menu. From the drop-down menu, hover over Cast, Save, and Share. From the options, select Create QR Code. Your QR code will instantly appear with a little dinosaur in the middle. Click Download, and the QR code will be saved to your Downloads folder. You can now print it, share it, or use it anywhere you like. This method is super useful because it doesn't require any third-party website or tool. Everything is built right into Chrome, saving you time and keeping your data safe. If you open it with Google Lens, you'll be able to see the URL address for this QR code. As you can see, it's taking me to YouTube. So that's how you can create a QR code in Google Chrome for any website. If you found this helpful and appreciate quick, free tips like this, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.